Hi guys, it's me Esther, and I wanted to do something. Then I decided to record it while I was actually doing it. So I'm with my baby here, Flushy, my sidekick. Tell them hello. Tell them hello. We're in the kitchen. He's purring. Oh, we're in the kitchen, and I want to do something, and I'm so excited. So for those of you who have subscribed, thank you so much, and thank you for seeing potential in this channel. We are at 242 subscribers. I know for most people it is very little, but for me it is a lot, and I have each and every one of you to thank. So now here I have something new that I got, because the other one that I got broken. I couldn't get like a replacement. So let me show you what I got. I got another coffee machine, basically because of this jug. Yeah, I love coffee. This is where we are at. So let me tell you something that you guys don't know. Let me first take you down a little bit. Sashi wants me to pet him. You see this thing moving, it's him trying to like rub himself onto. Let me remove this. Okay, so this here, these are chocolates. Let me show you. My baby is spoiled, yeah? Look. Look. Oh, there's more. Look. There's more. There's one that's, oh, it's a marshmallow one. There's more. Oh, I love this ones, the Kit Kat. And yeah. And there's another bag like this one somewhere in the house. So we've got a good stash of chocolates. Yeah. So I don't give him all of them at once because he'll eat all of them. So I usually give him like 3 at a time. So that's why the other stash is still here. So now, back to the video at hand. We are unboxing this thing. It's a Rampton's drip coffee machine. So let's, oh yes, I was telling you guys something you didn't know. I got this thing on, today is Thursday. I got it on Tuesday, right? So yesterday I had decided to try it out because I was in a rush, so I wasn't gonna take any video. Tell me why when I opened this thing everything looked good, but it was not dripping. And then the water that was like dripping like after like, I don't know, probably 10 minutes, it was tinted. It's like someone had gotten that coffee machine. No, I know you want the box. So someone had gotten I think someone had gotten that. Stop showing them, you're behind. So someone had gotten that coffee machine, and I think it had a problem, and they returned it, and then they resold it to me. Can you imagine? So yesterday, it's good that I decided yesterday to actually try it out, because I was here. Then it wasn't working, it wasn't dripping, so I took it back. So the Rampton's guy at the supermarket was okay and wanted to change. Then this lady was called, and she was told, I need a new coffee machine. She said, are you sure? Are you sure she has tested? And are you sure the 14 days are still valid? Because there was a 14-day wait period when you buy things at Carrefour, so that at least you try that thing to make sure it's working. They don't test it for you anymore. They give you 14 days grace period. I bought it on Tuesday. It was on Wednesday, and they were like, "Are you sure that thing has not been with that lady for over 14 days?" I was actually shocked because she was kind of rude, yeah, at first. Then she came. She said, "We can't change until we see." They tried it. It didn't drip. This one, however, they tried it because I told them, "No, I can't take it without trying it now." So they tried it and it dripped. So I know how it looks like, and I know how she packed it. So I have to be careful because she didn't put the jug inside the... So they are still building, so I had to pause so that they can stop cutting whatever they were cutting. So let me... They are cutting. I'm gonna continue regardless. I hope it's not too loud. Flashy, get off. Take the box. Hopefully we won't need the box again. Take the box. I know you want the box. So this is how it comes. I like this because it's protecting the machine. And then it comes with this, I think, for scooping the coffee. This is what I was saying, the way she packed it. It was outside this thing. It should have been inside, but this is the reason why we got a new coffee machine. This one. Raymond broke my jug for the cappuccino machine, which I think I've posted here, but I'll show you my cappuccino machine. So now we have to get this one. And also I realized, you see this had, when I bought this coffee machine, it had even this covering this part. It looks new. The other one, I didn't even realize it didn't look new at all. It was used. It had been used. So let me show you how it looks like. This is the on and off switch. This one is getting pretty hot compared to my cappuccino machine. This one will keep the coffee hot, and it takes long for it to like cool down. So I think that's also a plus. See, it's round tones. So when you open here, you get the place where you're gonna put your coffee, and this is what is gonna drip it. So we need to put water first. The first thing you're supposed to do is put water so that you can clean the machine, then wash this, then we're gonna make coffee with it. Today we are going to make coffee. And I like the way this cord is long compared to my cappuccino machine. And I'm thinking this one I will put somewhere in the living room. I don't know, so that it will be easier for me to make maybe coffee for visitors from there. So that, oops. Oh, I'm trying to plug it in, and I wasn't remembering that they usually come with a protective plug. So it's on, so I'm supposed to put water. So my cappuccino machine doesn't have this see-through part on it, so this one is actually nice because I can see where the water has reached. when you read the manual, it says for the first use, you should put water at max, right? And then you should let it just drip so that it can remove minerals. So I've had this thing before, so I know. Then we station this in place and we switch it on. So let's see. So the other one that I had yesterday, it would remove steam from here, but nothing would come down here. But the plate was hot, yeah, the whole time. This was boiling because this was boiling, so you can even hear the sound. You can hear the sound of which they are cutting outside, but you can hear the sound and you can see it's dripping. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see the drip. This one here. Let me move it like this. You can see the drip. Oh, thank you, Flashy. You can see the drip, and it is hot. As you can see, it's showing it's getting hot. So now here, on the other hand, you can see it reduce in size. Can you see? It's reducing in size. So we are gonna brew this water, and then we are gonna wash this and these other things, and then we are gonna make our first coffee together with this machine. I don't feel like I want coffee, but I want it because now I need to use this machine. Who is spoiled me? I feel spoiled actually. So you see it's at 10, below 10, and we did put at maximum. Now it's here. Yeah, and it's getting hot, and I like the way this plate gets hot, yeah. So even the coffee will like be boiling hot by the time you're serving it. That is the one thing that I absolutely like about this coffee machine. As we wait for this one to brew, let me show you my other coffee machine. Yes. So here is my other coffee machine. Let me change. So here is my cappuccino machine. So you see here the jug, that's the one that that Raymond broke. So this other side is the cappuccino side, which works perfectly, by the way. I still make my cappuccinos, and I used to make my coffee from here, but then it used to, yes, you can make it like drip coffee, put a lot of coffee here, but then why buy the two if you can't use the one? Anyway, I'm still gonna contact Ramtons to see if I can get a job for this one, and then this one can be the kitchen one, and the other one can be either the bedroom one or the living room one. So here is how it looks like. So everything is intact. You see this one I've used. Yeah, I've used, even it can tell because from the tintedness of this CV thing. Anyway, so that is how it looks, and you can see it's also Ramtons. Yeah. Back to this. So you see we have brewed 6 cups already. It's 6 cups already, and you see it's boiling. Let me show you. You see, it's hot. Wait, you see, it's really hot. So, and this is how it drips. See? and this is a 12 cups jug. Yeah, so we are now at 8. So this is how it looks like. Ramtons, ideas for easy living. So this is the on and off switch. It's really hot. Oh, you can't even touch the glass. It's very hot actually. So I'm gonna switch it off and we're gonna pour this out. You see, actually it's actually good for my sink, this hot water. See how hot it is. Yeah, so the one thing I was gonna show you, this is the hot plate. This one, you shouldn't touch it, it's very hot. And as you can see, it's non-drip. I just removed the jug and there's no dripping. Mine usually drips, so this one is dry. There's no dripping whatsoever. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this and we're gonna wash them, and then we're gonna brew our coffee now. So let me wash this, then I'll be back for us to do the brewing. So I've washed everything. I'm gonna dry the outside. Everything is clean now. Okay. And I've also cleaned this inner part. These ones, I've washed them. The sieve and this other dripped one. So now I need to put coffee, then we can brew. I don't want a lot of coffee, so I'm not gonna brew a lot. Let me push you back a bit. Yeah, like that. So I'm not gonna brew a lot, just enough. Let me get my coffee. I need to grind more coffee. Oh, and it's good to get the beans because the coffee is always good. I think that's enough. Mind you, I don't need coffee now, but I'm gonna drink it because why not? Why not? Yeah. I'm just gonna put up to 6 because I don't need a lot. Let's get that coffee going. I didn't wash this one, I need to wash it. So now that everything is fine, I'm gonna pack this up. Because everything now is working the way it should be working. It smells good. Smells so good. I love it when my house smells like Java. I just love it. I just love it. Just love it. So let me put here as reference of what we are using. Yeah. I just need like a cup. I don't need a lot. Like just a cup of coffee. Just a cup of coffee. So should I use this or should I use this? I think that's enough. For the dramatic effect, I think I'll use this one. But those ones are for cappuccinos, because I can make cappuccino. My house smells like lava. Being old, these are the signs of being old. Like you're happy because of a coffee machine. Signs of being old. But am I complaining? No, I'm not. I'm old and I love it. I love aging. People haven't gotten that chance to age, and here I am. God has given me this chance. So this is all that I brought because I don't want a lot. I hope you can see. Let me put. Remove your face. You know we are in Flash's territory because he's on top of the freezer. That's his territory. So perfect. Cheers, guys. Let me show you the coffee beans that I'm using. That is if they're not far. So here they are. So I'm using this one. I usually cut to see the type of beans I'm using for that time. So these ones are hand roasted with love coffee beans, medium roast. Oh, wait, I'm expecting someone, so I thought there's someone at the door and they were not using the doorbell, but anyway, it's not. So this one is medium roast. I like dark roast, but someone chose this for me so that I can try it, and it's okay. So the tasting notes: grapefruit, blackcurrant, and lively. This is how it looks like. So if you want this type of coffee beans, go and look for these details, and it has these patterns on it. The one that I like, I'm sure it's far. No, it's not. The one that I like is this one. Is this? Yes, this one. You see, this is brown, red, white, and you see this is red, white, green. You see there's a difference. So this is the one I like. This is the one I'm having. It's good to try new things, so why not? Anyway, so I'm gonna leave this here. Now that I have made coffee and we've seen it makes coffee. Oh, there's more. And we see it makes coffee. Oh yeah, and you see it makes coffee and it's good. So let me tell you something. So I'm expecting someone to come and do my shower and my toilet. My toilet is not like flashing very well, and my shower isn't that nice. Tell me why Kenyans are, or maybe Africans, they don't know how to keep time. I called this person at 9ish. And he said, oh, I'm just getting something and I'll be there. And I told him very well that at 12, I'll be leaving. Yeah, I'm supposed to be back at the hotel at 12:31 latest. Yeah. Tell me this, why this person, it's 11:37. I'm not even kidding. It's 11:37. Look. The person is not here. And if I tell that person, oh, let me take you up a bit so that I can stop leaning. Yeah. And if I tell this person, oh, don't come anymore, they're gonna think I'm rude. Yeah. It's 11:37. I called this person. Let me check. what time I called. Nine 9:26, and he said latest by 10 he will be here because he's doing something small. Let me try and call him one last time before I start winding up right before I leave. But we need to do better with time. I need to tell him not to come anymore because I can't afford to be late. Is this even going through? The phone is off. Let's try the other number. Here's another number.
Please try again later. Nambari uliyopiga inatumika kwa sasa. Tafadhali jaribu tena baadaye.
Let me text. Tell him not to come. I'll just find someone else to do it when I'm available. Yeah. So back to the coffee machine. There was more, and it has dripped. Look. Would I recommend? Yes, it works absolutely perfectly. How much was it? That's a good question. It was on offer. Where did I keep the receipt though? But it was on offer. I think we bought it, we bought it at 4,090 shillings. Was that on offer actually? I don't know. No, it wasn't. But it was 4,090 shillings. So that being said, we are done with this, and this is what we got. And I'm a proud owner of this, and this will be the best thumbnail for this video. So let me try and position it so that I can screenshot it when I'm editing. Or maybe I should push this closer to me. Wait, this one is being sidelined like that. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. Just bear with me. We need that thumbnail. Thank you for bearing with me. If you need specs, it uses between 220 to 240 volts. 1.5 liters, 30 seconds, anti-drip function. Funnel can be removed vertically, that one we've seen. Boil dry protection, glass carafe and funnel are dishwasher safe. So if you have a dishwasher, you can wash this carafe. This is the carafe inside the dishwasher. Yeah. So that's it. And here it says fitted with 3-pin square plug. That is the one that you plug it. You plug in the socket with, so it's 3-pin. which I like. And the one I don't like is the 2-pin one. So yeah. So let me drink my coffee and then finish up on what I'm doing. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned something. Also, if you buy something at a supermarket, first things first, try and use that thing, because they no longer try it for you, so that if you find any fault, you can easily return it, yeah, before the 14 days are over. Because if the 14 days are over, the only thing they can do is fix the machine that you brought back. They can never change with a new one. But if you take it within the 14 days, they will give you a new one. So they will assume after the 14 days you've been using it and you've spoiled it. So it is more of like maintenance. You understand? So I hope up to there you've understood. If you're a coffee lover and you don't mind, you're not a fan of like cappuccino, this is the way to go. I love cappuccinos. I use the cappuccino side a lot, but I will still contact Ramtons just to see if they can get me the jug for the other one. And this one, I will find a spot for it in the living room. Yeah, so that I can be brewing my coffee in the living room when I'm just chilling, or even somewhere here in the kitchen. We'll see where it will end up. But anyways, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Keep on subscribing, and thank you for seeing the potential in me. I'm not gonna let you down. I'm gonna try and make new videos. Yeah, up to there we call it, let's call this a video. And thank you, bye guys. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.